welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of smart home security with the revolutionary 360-degree bulb camera. Imagine transforming any standard light fixture into a powerful surveillance hub, capable of providing complete coverage of your living space. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the features and functionalities that make the 360-degree bulb camera a game changer in the realm of home monitoring. From its sleek design that seamlessly blends into any environment to its advanced 360-degree panoramic view, this device offers a level of versatility and coverage that traditional security cameras simply can't match. But the innovation doesn't stop there. We'll demonstrate how easy it is to set up and configure the camera using your smartphone, allowing you to start monitoring your home in minutes. Plus, with features like motion detection and customizable alert notifications, you'll always be in the know whether you're at work or on vacation. But perhaps the most impressive feature of all is the two-way audio communication, allowing you to not only see what's happening, but also hear and speak to anyone in the room. Whether you're checking in on your kids, pets, or elderly relatives, this functionality adds an extra layer of reassurance and connectivity to your home surveillance system. So let's open the box. And here we have our bulb camera. We also get a E27 type bulb holder. Other than that, we also got some screw and wall plug for screw. Let's check our camera design is very compact, like a LED bulb. On side, you can see a QR code, which can be scanned to download the v380 app. We also see default username as admin and password nothing, which you can be changed after connecting with app. On top, we can see the camera lenses, holes for speaker and mic, and also small hole for reset button, which can be used to reset the camera in case you cannot connect with app. On side, we have the SD card slot. On the top side, there are also many holes to let air pass to keep the device cool. Bulb operates on AC 220V as normal bulb, so not need any adapter, just plug in the given holder to AC line and start using the camera. Now we have connected with camera through Wi-Fi in AP mode. You can see the live video in app. Note, this camera does not have any night vision, and also you may not see the rec date time on downloaded video. Date time only shown when you play video through app.